In this video, we will show you a step-by-step process to perform an NCU sensor check on the Mimaki JV150 printer. Let's get started. This process checks the sensor sensitivity of the nozzle check unit, or the NCU. Turn the printer on and ensure it is in service mode by pressing and holding the Function 1 and Function 3 buttons until you hear the beep. Release the buttons. If the sensor has a value of less than 130, you should have received an error to replace the NCU. Follow this simple procedure to check the NCU sensor. Select Pound Test and Sensor Check, and then press the Enter key to cycle through displays and review sensor readings. Do not adjust or try to change the numerical values. You are looking for a value higher than 130 in the left side figure. Once you see a value greater than 130, press End and the error will disappear. Looking for more tips and tricks to keep your printer in tip-top shape? Like and subscribe.